Hello everyone, you are watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. And if you are experiencing some condensation on your carpet, could be passenger side or driver side, it's really unpleasant smell. The carpet gets wet, AC is not working properly, most likely the condensate tube is plugged. I will try to show you where it's located behind the firewall. So where you can see that the plastic piece on top goes into the floor, that's where the tube is. There is like a seal in between. So if the tube is plugged, the water will be draining inside the cabin and your carpet will get wet. Let's get under the vehicle. I will show you how to clean it. Alright, so I'm under the car, under the van, and here is the spare tire, and there is this aluminum and then foil shield. So the drain tube should be somewhere here in the middle. It's kind of interesting design, because usually you can see a piece of hose sticking out from the firewall or from the bottom of the car. So to get to it, we'll need to remove this aluminum shield, which seems like 10 mil, maybe 10 or even 8 mil from here. And after that, this shield is connected with, attached with those plastic clips, kind of like plastic washers that go through. So I will get those removed. We'll show you what I find under this shield. Alright, so that aluminum shield is removed. One nut was 11 mil and another screw was 8. So all those plastic clips are loose, so I was able to pull down the shield, and there is that tube. You can see that the shield is wet, so I can assume that condensate was coming out of the tube. I'll just grab a piece of wire, actually a little wire brush, and we'll stick in there and see if I can get any debris out. Alright, so I'm using a tiny wire brush. And it's hitting something hard. It seems like this tube is clean. Nothing is falling out. So the condensate is probably not the issue that is causing the evaporator to freeze up. But that's one thing that I wanted to check, so we can put those shields back together.